Hey, what up, everybody? It's Christmas!
Can't you tell it's so cold?
So we made a special Christmas dance video just for you.
So grab those hula hoops, spread out, and let's have some fun.
Remember, red means right and yellow means left. We're making Christmas cookies. What shapes are you cutting out? Santa? Rudolph? A snowman? Now clean off those cutters. Take those shapes and put them on the pan. Get ready to put them in the oven. Now as we're waiting for them to cook, it's a dance party. Spin to your left. Now spin to your right. The cookies are ready, take them out. Now grab the box and get ready to decorate. Get those hard to reach boxes underneath your bed. Put on the Christmas lights, spin around the tree, all the way down to the bottom. Hang up the ornaments, starting from the top. Hang some in the middle. Do some squats to hang on the bottom and put on that angel. Now, wash those hands. Use some soap. And scrub, scrub, scrub. And paper towel. Turn off the faucet. Dry those hands. And throw the paper towel away. Put the icing on those cookies. Spread it in. Now put it on. Now put on some sprinkles. Start with the red ones. Now put on some yellow sprinkles. It's ready to eat those cookies. Bye. Now drink that milk. Eat those cookies. And drink that milk. Now offer some cookies to your friends. Making sure to stay safe and sanitized, of course. After we eat cookies, it's time for a dance party! Presents. Give some presents, receive some presents, open and wash those hands. Use some soap and scrub, scrub, scrub. And paper towel. Turn off the faucet. Dry those hands and throw the paper towel away. And have a Merry Christmas, and we'll see you next time. That was so much fun.
If you want to see more videos by us and more dance videos, you should subscribe.
All right, I'm Pastor Mattie Ice.
I'm Victoria.
Wherever you are, stay chill and float on.